My name is Dr. Suleiman Sani, and what is happening to Alaji Bodejo, the president of Mieti Allah Katahori in this country? Honestly, nobody is happy. The entire Nigerians, those who know what to do, know what is good, they are not happy. You know, if I want to put it back, I have known this Bodejo for almost 30-something years. And my relationship with him for all these years has been very wonderful. I am not from his tribe. As a matter of fact, I'm not a Fulani man. But for a Fulani man who is able to organize people of different tribes, different race, to a level of common peace for national development, to be put under this kind of harassment is an embarrassment not only for Nigeria.